Students who showed up for school today at the St. Joseph's Convent, Kingstown, remained in their classrooms as their teachers staged their walkout. svgTV News understands that the action stemmed from a legal dispute that can possibly hold the school's principal, Calma Balcom, in contempt of a court order. Zuleika Lewis has more.
It's almost a dream of every student to have a free period. However, students of the St. Joseph Convent, Kingstown, were given a free day after their teachers refused to conduct classes and left the institution owing to a legal dispute. Lawyer Jomo Thomas is the attorney for the students and mother to which the dispute surrounds. Thomas told svgTV News the incident dates back to March of this year, when the student received a suspension for a note written in her book, which was subsequently found by a teacher. The student's attorney said coming to the end of her third form, his client was given a report card outlining her promotion to Form 4.
She gets an accompanying letter that, in essence, says nothing to her or to her mother, her parent. It is directed to the principal of another school, saying that this child essentially was transferred to his school.
He said following this, his legal advice was sought by the parent, and he deemed that the school and the Ministry of Education acted improperly.
The child showed up at school because that's what her report card says. She showed up at school on the first day of school, and she and her mother was told that the child should not be in this school, and she was transferred, so we filed a claim for judicial review. The court essentially said that the applicant shall be returned to the St. Joseph's Convent, Kingstown, with immediate effect until the final determination of the matter. Today, Monday, is the first day of school since the order was issued. And the child went to school. The school evidently refused to allow the child in.
Today at around 9 a.m., teachers of the institution were seen leaving the school compound. svgTV News was informed that the students were reportedly told by their principal to stay in their classrooms. The child in question and her mother were seen sitting under the school's gazebo. They stayed there until the school released its students at 2 p.m. They refused an interview with svgTV. Speaking off camera, many of the students were not happy with the situation and questioned whether their teachers would return to classrooms tomorrow. Efforts to reach the Ministry of Education for a comment proved futile, and the principal of the St. Joseph Convent, Kingstown, Calma Balcom, was said to be unavailable. For svgTV News, I am Zuleika Lewis.